Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. It's me, Philippine Expat, currently living here. Today morning, I'm going to make another donut, but it's different style. I'm going to make a round, not the twist one, because it's take time to like that. To I don't know, to roll in the hands, and my hands is so really. So I have a special guest here, guys. See what we have here?
Hi!
That's Sheryl. She's back again, guys. Yesterday she come up here and joined. And you know, guys, Sheryl have a new channel. And her channel is
Crazy Sheryl Life In Philippines!
Life
Crazy
Sheryl Life in the Philippines. That's so
Thank
funny.
you, babe!
Hi guys, please visit her channel, guys, because
thank you, guys.
I don't know how many subscribers she have, but
I think 13.
13?
Yep.
Might be tomorrow it will be triple. Double.
Yeah.
So please visit her channel, guys. She have a few videos uploading it. So now I'm going to start it. Because it takes
Thank
time
you so much.
Takes time to prepare the donut. Okay, let's start now.
Yeah,
So first is a tablespoon of butter, liquid. So this is, I put too much. And then milk, 1 cup of milk, evaporated. Cheryl is watching me here.
Yeah,
Then 1 egg. Oh, sorry. Then sugar. 3 tablespoons of white sugar. We'll just mix this one first. And then active yeast. 1 packet active yeast. So we'll mix it. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So very small. We'll mix this one. So easy. Then 3 cup of flour. This is 3 cup of flour. Then just mix this one here. Yes. Siya, balik ko na ito siya. Itong.
What's the money?
Nana, karang gamay. Para mamix. Yes. And now, time to add the flour. There you go. So easy, guys. And after this one, leave for 1 hour, cover with the plastic. Ayun. Plain plastic. Ito pangalan niya. Pangalan. Leave for 1 hour.
Then kami siya after na.
Hindi na, sobrang na. Yan na, pag magluto na ako, butaw na ako. Ang no need bread po siya. Kato kung hindi mo sa una ba. Dami po ito siya. Ang lasa niya. Simple ra yan ka na ako. Yeah, Sheryl, she have a video there, guys. Now, puti kasi ako. Now, walang lipstick. Pero wala ito ng lipstick. Sa apps mo na.
Ay, katong imong di ko anak ko.
Hindi, oy! Apps ba? Apps ba? Apps ba? Kanang mga... Yun na eh.
Subo ang lipstick niya.
Actually, guys, we are not putting lipstick here. That's an apps I'm using. Because you know, Philip hate lipstick.
I think all. Yeah, we have also.
Dyan, so?
Yeah. But we have foreigner also that can ganan of lipstick.
Hindi na yan, mga sila ko. Almost leisure na may...
Ano sa uban bet ganan sila sexy. Ito mo.
Oh, ingan. Sorry, almost there. I'll be back. Hi guys! We're preparing her food for the visitor. I make soup. That's a yummy one. Yeah, rice. Sprite. I'll be back later. Hey guys, this is now my donut. So now I need to... This is different one. I need to heat the oil. Okay, let's start cooking now. There. 3 pieces is good enough. Or 4 maybe. Look guys. That did not hold the end. I don't know how I'm gonna do this one. What I did here is I'll just stick a toothpick so it will hold when it cooks. Here guys, very yummy. Hello, finished my donut guys. Super duper yummy. Bye everyone, thanks for watching.